Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripe dashboard using MFA step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Stripe dashboard using multi-factor authentication, begin by navigating to the Stripe login page. Enter your email address and click the Continue button. Check your inbox for an email from Stripe containing a login link. Click the login link provided in the email. Once redirected, you will be prompted to enter your password. After entering your password, click the Login button. You will now be asked to verify your identity using multi-factor authentication. Depending on your setup, you may receive a verification code via SMS or an authenticator app. If using SMS, check your phone for the verification code sent by Stripe. If using an authenticator app, open the app and find the Stripe entry to locate your code. Enter the verification code into the designated field on the Stripe dashboard. Click the Verify button to proceed. If the code is correct, you will gain access to your Stripe dashboard. In case of any issues, ensure you are entering the most recent code received. Remember that codes expire quickly, so enter them promptly. Once you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout for easier navigation in the future. Keep your login credentials and MFA methods secure to protect your account. You are now successfully authenticated with the Stripe dashboard using multi-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.